Then go up
Up.
and down. And then one leg back.
Yeah.
And other leg back. Just like a dog. Yes, very good. Then sit on your legs. Then lie like a snake. And look up. And then go like a dog. And one leg in front.
Like this?
Yes. And then other leg in front. No, front.
Like this?
Put your hands close to your feet.
To my feet.
Yeah,
Like this?
like this. And then go up and back like this. And say namaste.